In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use subtasks in Jira as a Scrum Master, which is an essential skill for optimizing your team's workflow. Subtasks in Jira are a fantastic way to break down larger tasks into more manageable parts, ensuring each component gets the attention it deserves. To get started, it's important to know that subtasks are enabled by default in Jira. However, if you don't see this option available, you'll need to manually enable them. Begin by navigating to Jira settings, then head over to issues, and finally select subtasks. Here you should find the option to enable subtasks. Simply click on enable subtasks and you're all set. Once you've ensured that subtasks are enabled, let's move on to creating them. Start by opening any existing story, task or bug to which you'd like to add subtasks. Beneath the issue's name you'll see an option labelled add. Click this and select subtask from the drop down menu. At this point, a subtask section will appear on your screen. Now you'll enter the specific details of your subtask. Clearly articulate what needs to be done, making sure to include any relevant details so the assigned team member has a clear understanding of what's required. After entering the necessary information, click on Create to finalize the subtask. There's an important tip to keep in mind when working with subtasks. Use them to break down components of development work, testing, or research. They are not meant for planning levels but are perfect for execution, allowing you to track progress on bite-sized pieces of your project. Let's talk about best practices for using subtasks effectively. Firstly, it's important to reserve subtasks for execution purposes rather than for planning. Planning should be done at a higher level, while subtasks should serve to execute specific parts of that plan. Also, consider assigning subtasks to different team members according to their skills and availability to promote parallel work streams, which can increase overall efficiency. Once all subtasks have been completed, it's critical to review the parent task to ensure everything is in order. Once checked, you can mark the parent task as done to signify its completion. As a Scrum Master, you'll appreciate the impact this organized approach has on both the team's efficiency and the quality of work delivered. Finally, consider leveraging Jira automation to streamline your workflow further. You can configure Jira to auto-close parent issues once all associated subtasks are completed. This can save you time and reduce the manual overhead of managing tasks, letting you focus more on things that need direct attention. By incorporating these strategies and tips, you will be able to utilize Jira's subtasks effectively, leading to a smoother, more organized workflow, enhancing both individual and team productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy task managing.